In this video we will guide how to add the dynamic cover page in ICTPBX. First, log into ICTPBX portal as an admin or tenant by entering the email and password. Select the main menu Fax and then click on the sub-menu Cover Page. Click on the Add Cover Page button. Enter the cover page title. Then write the cover page body according to your need, and you can use the custom tokens in the body. Customer token will be replaced with real-time information during fax send. After entering all the required information, click on Submit button to save the routes.